Good morning students. Welcome back to science class of 7th. Children, in my previous video I had completed the chapter number 12, that is reproduction in plants, and today I will be discussing the exercises and question answer of the chapter. So children, first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the date in your copy, then chapter number and chapter name, and after that about the chapter you will be getting the notes in the form of the PDF. आपको notes मिल जाएगा PDF में. उसके बाद key terms आपको लिखना है. key terms आपको भी मैंने लिख के दे दिया है जो कि notes में मिल जाएगा. After that come to very short answer type questions. तो very short answer type questions I will be discussing in the class. मैं उसको discuss करूँगी जिसको आपको book में as it is करना है, right? So this very short answer type questions I will be discussing in the class. After that, short answer type questions that you will get notes in the form of PDF. उसके बाद आता है लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. इसके भी नोट्स आपको पीडीएफ में मिल जाएंगे. तो पीडीएफ में आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा? पीडीएफ में आपको अबाउट द चैप्टर मिलेगा, की टर्म्स मिलेगा, शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा और लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा. ओके, आफ्टर दैट देयर इज मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. वो आपको एज इट इज बुक में खुद से ही करना है. ओके, फिर आएंगे हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल क्वेश्चंस. दैट आल्सो यू हैव टू डू इन द बुक इटसेल्फ. सो दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू डू इन द बुक. आपको बुक में क्या क्या करना है? आपको वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप्स बुक्स में करना है, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन बुक में करना है और हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल क्वेश्चंस बुक में करना है. एंड नोट्स जो बनाने हैं आपको कॉपी में, वो आपको क्या क्या करना है? आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चैप्टर नेम, चैप्टर नंबर, डेट डालना है, फिर अबाउट द चैप्टर डालना है, की टर्म्स लिखना है, देन आफ्टर दैट शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस एंड लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस आपको करना है. और जहाँ पे डायग्राम रिक्वायर्ड है वहाँ पे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करके उसको अच्छे से लेबल करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स प्रोसीड टू आवर वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस. ओके, वेरी शॉर्ट answer type questions. First one, name one plant which can be reproduced through stem or branch cuttings. Answer is sugarcane. You can write rose also. Then second, name one plant which can be reproduced through underground stem called stem tuber. Answer is potato. Third one, name two plants which can be reproduced through their modified roots. Answer is dahlia and sweet potato. Then fourth one, name one plant which reproduces new plants through leaves. Answer is bryophyllum. You can write begonia also. Then fifth one, name one plant which reproduces through spore formation. Answer is spirogyra. Sixth one, name one organism which reproduces by budding. Answer is yeast. Seventh one, name the vegetative propagation method which is used for growing rose plants. Answer is stem cutting. Then eighth one, name the asexual method of reproduction in yeast. Answer is budding. Ninth one, name the asexual method of reproduction in an algae. Say spirogyra, that is fragmentation. 10th, name the asexual method of reproduction in bread mold. Answer is spore formation. Okay, now 11th, which type of reproduction A involves fusion of gametes? तो आंसर है इसका sexual reproduction, and B does not involve gametes. Answer is asexual reproduction. Then 12th one, which type of reproduction in plants is carried out with seeds? That is sexual reproduction, and option B without seeds, that is asexual reproduction. Then 13, name two plants which are produced from seeds. Answer is wheat, maize, gram, barley. You can write okay any. 14th, name two plants which are usually produced without seeds. Answer is rose and hibiscus. Okay, then 15th, name a fungus which reproduces by budding. Answer is yeast, and by spores, that is rhizophus. 16th. Name one plant whose seeds or fruits have a fibrous coat which makes them float in water. Answer is coconut. 17. Name one plant whose seeds or fruits have hooks which gets attached to the body of hairy animals. Answer is xanthium or urena, you can write also. Then 18. Where are a plant's reproductive organs located? Yes, it is located in the flowers. Then 19. What is the name of a male part of a flower? Male part of a flower is stamen, and B, female part of a flower, that is pistil. Then 20. Name two plants having winged seeds or fruits which are dispersed by wind. Answer is drumstick and maple. Then 21. Name two plants having hairy seeds or fruits which are dispersed by wind. Answer is madar, that is aak, or sunflower. Then 22. Name one type of plant having very small and light seeds which can be dispersed by wind. Answer is begonia. Okay. Then 23. Which part of a flower contains pollen? तो pollen कहाँ पे होता है? Male part, that is stamen, and ovules कहाँ होता है? Female part में, that is pistil. Okay. Now 24. What is the name of yellow powdery substance present in the anther of a flower? Answer is pollen grains. Now 25th. What do the following contain? A. Pollen grains में क्या होता है? Answer is male gametes, and ovules में क्या होता है? Female gametes. Okay. Now 26. What is the name of the process in which A. the pollen is transferred from anther to the stigma of a flower? Answer is pollination. Then B. the male gamete present in pollen fuses with the female gamete present in ovule. Answer is fertilization. Right? Now 27. Name the fertilized egg cell formed by the fusion of a male and female gametes. Answer is zygote. Now 28. Which part of a flower forms the fruit? That is ovary. Ovary forms the fruit and ovules form the seeds. Now 29. State whether the following statements are true or false. A. The fruits of coconut plants are dispersed by wind. Answer is false. Right answer is the fruits of coconut plants are dispersed by water. Then B. The fruits of xanthium can be dispersed by sheep. Answer is true. Yes, it can be dispersed by animals. Then 30. Fill in the following blanks with suitable words. First one, A. A flower may have either male or female reproductive parts. Such a flower is called dash flower. Answer is unisexual. Then B. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same or another flower of the same kind is known as pollination, or we can say self-pollination. Okay. Now, the fusion of male and female gametes is termed as fertilization. Then D. Ovules contain dash gametes, whereas pollen grains contain dash gamete of the plant. So ovule contain female gametes and pollen grains contain male gametes, right? Now E. After fertilization, an ovule becomes a dash. Answer is seed, whereas the ovary of a flower becomes a fruit. Then F. Flower is the dash part of a plant. That is, answer is reproductive. Then G. Plants reproduce as a result of dash reproduction. Answer is sexual. Okay. H. In sexual reproduction, a male and a female gamete fuse to form a, answer is zygote. Then I. Fertilized egg is called dash. Answer is zygote. Then J. Zygote develops into an embryo. Okay. Then K, sweet potato is reproduced through root, whereas potato is reproduced through underground stem tuber. Okay. Then L, seed dispersal takes place by means of wind, water and animals. Now M, xanthium fruits are dispersed by animals, whereas coconut fruits are dispersed by water. So this is your short, very short answer type questions. So children, that's all for today. I have discussed very short answer type questions and short long questions. You will be getting notes in the form of PDF that you have to note down in your classwork copy. So our periodic test chapters of pen paper test syllabus is completed. 2 chapters आएंगे pen paper test में, जो कि है chapter number 11 transport in plants and animals and chapter number 12 that is reproduction in plants. दोनों चैप्टर आपको अच्छे से थॉरो स्टडी करना है बिकॉज दीज 2 चैप्टर्स आर गोइंग टू कम इन योर पीरियोडिक टेस्ट एग्जामिनेशन और इन दोनों चैप्टर्स के नोट्स मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कर चुकी हूँ. ओके, सो नोट डाउन इट इन योर फेयर कॉपी एंड स्टार्ट लर्निंग बिकॉज मे बी दिस end of the month you are going to have your periodic test examination. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care of yourself. Thank you class.